I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos, and we have had happy mail today, and one of the girls have returned with bringing goodies for our junk journal. So for those of you who don't know, we're doing a round the world travel journal where you can all get involved and send bits and pieces in, and we've had lots of gorgeous goodies already. We've already made a start on the around the world travel journal with some of the bits and pieces that we've had back. So I'm going to give you an update on how many miles the girls have done. So we have had Georgia returned back today, and let me show you. I'm not going to show you those just yet because they are just beautiful. So Georgia went to visit Susan in Doncaster, and she has returned back today, and she's had a wonderful time, and look at what she has brought back with her. So we have this gorgeous little bag of goodies with some beautiful brads. They are gorgeous, and some love heart, some heart pegs, and some safety pins there, so they will be included in the journal. Also have a lovely card from Susan saying thank you. Hi Chanel, thank you so much for letting Georgia visit the Hannay family. Really enjoyed showing her off to everyone. Happy crafting, Sue Hannay. I hope I pronounced that right. Or Sue Hannam, I'm afraid. I think that is Sue Hannam. Sorry, not Hannay. What am I saying? Sorry, Sue Hannam. So that's going to go in the journal. Look, we've got a lovely pocket card that I can include in the journal, so I can't wait to use that. That's super. So thank you so much, Sue. And look, also Sue took a photo to put in the journal of her holding Georgia. That's so cute. Look at that. Look, we've got a lovely photo there to go in the journal, and a little map of where she's been to Doncaster, and another one there to include. So that is so cool. But look at these. Oh my goodness me. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. I am so lucky because I've had such lovely, wonderful things from you all. Look at this. How beautiful are these tags? Now I have some flowers like this, and I have this DSP. I don't think I have any glittery wood letterings, but I will find some and maybe do I might case this, because look at these with the Georgia on, and these are going to be just so beautiful to put in the journal. And we have one for Grace and another one for Gorgeous. These are really just super beautiful, as are all of the things. And look, we've got a little monster who's joined us today. Now is not the time, and you're going to burn your nose on my lights. Look at these though. These are just stunning, and these are going to go in the... Right, I'm not having you do this now. Get off. Oh, he's being a monkey. These will be going in the travel journal. Right, say hello and then leave me alone. Come on, sit down. It's like... Stop it now. Come on. Stop being a monkey. Stop walking all over these gorgeous things. I might get these out and show you. Actually, my granddaughter has a birthday coming up, and she's having her girlfriends, a couple of her friends from school, stay over, and they're having like these little girly pamper hamper things, and I might see if I can find some of these letters and put their names, because they've got baskets. So I just love these. It'd be lovely for them to keep. So thank you for inspiring me. All of your things that you send me inspire me. They really do. So I am very lucky. These are beautiful. I can see that these are stuck on with like glue gun. I just love them. They're beautiful. I will be making some of these, but I don't know where I'm going to get my letters from. So Susan, you must tell me where you got your letters from. They are just, and I love sparkly things. And we have one for Grace. So those are the things that I received today, and they're going to go with all of the other goodies that I have. Now, I do have an update for you. Now, I said I was going to keep keep a log of all the miles that the girls have done. Now, Gorgeous went to Swindon and Cardiff, and then Cardiff back to visit Jane, and that was 142 miles. And then Gorgeous went from Swindon to Aylesbury, and Aylesbury to Swindon to visit Lintara, which was 149 miles. Then we have Georgia, who went from Swindon to Doncaster, and Doncaster to Swindon to visit Susan, which is 365 miles. So the total so far for the return journeys are 656 miles. But the exciting news is Grace has arrived in Alabama, Gadsden, Alabama, to visit Stephanie. So she has done 4,189 miles. Now we have to add the return miles on that when she gets back. But so far, all of the miles are a whopping 4,845 miles. OMG, that's how many miles the girls have travelled so far. So I'm going to keep note of this, and we are going to incorporate this into the journal. So I will have a lot of fun next week. I'm doing some more pages, and this is just super exciting to take part in the travel journal. Just email me at my email address is in the description. Email me your name and address, and I shall put you on the list. Now, Gorgeous is on her way now, well, she will be on Tuesday, to visit Janet, who's in Indiana, USA. And then we have Georgia, who's going to be going off to visit Louisa in New Milton, Hants. So we have those two girls going out on Tuesday, and I shall be doing more pages. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and oh my goodness me, look at all these super goodies. Can't wait to make more pages. I will be back with the March Madness daily giveaway. It is the last day today, boo-hoo. So watch out for a special one of those, and I'm sure Naughty Charlie Asbo will be taking part as well in some form. So thank you for watching, take care, and see you all very, very, very soon. Bye bye.